Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Suhartini Halik. It is an honor to have the opportunity to present at the 11th Propenedo International Conference. Today, I am pleased to share our article entitled Integrating Deep Learning and AI Literacy in Children Literature Education, building inclusive, mindful, meaningful, and joyful learning in the AI era. This work is collaborative effort by our team Suhartini Halik, Nuraini Kasman, Muhammad Hanafi, Usman, and Suhardi Sain from the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education Muhammadiyah University of Sidenring Rapang. Introduction. Children literature classroom are increasingly embracing interactive and AI-enriched technology like digital storybook, augmented reality narrative, and conversational agent to support creative exploration and cognitive engagement. AI tools such as generative language model position children as active participants in shaping digital narratives, promoting personalized, inclusive, and meaningful reading experience. The integration of these technologies remains children's literature classroom a space for self-expression, ethical inquiry, and multimodal meaning-making, fostering both humanist and technological literacy. Literature review, the learning in children literature. The learning encourages children to interpret literacy text while weaving their personal story into them, fostering deeper comprehension and emotional resonance. AI literacy as a human competence. AI literacy nurtures critical awareness in children, teaching them ethical implications of AI usage in literature interpretation and creation. Children learn to critically assess AI-mediated storytelling, differentiating between algorithm production and human creativity. Conceptual intersection, the planning and AI literacy. Combining the planning and AI literacy creates a cohesive model for exploring literary text through technology and human value. The integration in children's ability to view AI system as tool for knowledge generation while reflecting on underlying humanistic trends. Methodology. Systematic narrative review approach. This study adopts a systematic narrative review methodology to analyze and synthesize instead from 25 peer-reviewed articles published between 2020 to 2025. Database and keyword selection. Key database includes Scopus, SpringerLink, ScienceDirect, and DOG. Methodology. Article screening and selection criteria. Articles were screened for relevant publication quality and methodological rigor, ensuring the study's outcomes are built upon robust and credible research foundation. This ensures the reliability of the thematic findings. Thematic synthesis process. The review employed a three-stage coding process: open coding, axial coding, and selective coding to identify recurring themes and conceptual intersection between AI literacy and deep learning, ensuring a solid analytical framework. Result and discussion. Trend in research on EI literacy and deep learning in children's education. Limited interaction research in EI literacy has largely remained technical, with little focus on combining literacy education and value-based learning, leaving a gap in comprehension educational approach. Disparity in application. Deep learning applications are more extensively adapted in STEM education, with teachers often mistaking it for in-depth content teaching rather than for fostering reflective, meaning-oriented process. Emerging yet limited studies. Integrative approach combining EI literacy and deep learning are emerging but remain exploratory, signaling the need for more robust framework for children's literature. Learning dimension, cognitive impact, EI integration support a deeper understanding of story, helping children grasp complex narrative while fostering critical thinking about technology and its role in storytelling. To effective engagement, through EA-driven interaction, children connect emotionally with character and narrative, ensuring their empathy and emotional growth in the learning process. Ethical reflection, EA essential in exploring moral dimension of narrative, enabling them to evaluate biases, intention, in, and the social impact of algorithm-driven storytelling. Conceptual integration between EI literacy and deep learning. One, epistemological alignment. Encourage children to recognize EI-generated text as algorithmic construct, helping them differentiate between human creativity and machine algorithm. Two, pedagogical strategies. Teacher guide children through reflective and dialogical method to critical assess AI-generated content and its impact on narratives. Three, humanistic orientation. Foster empathy and social awareness as children engage with EI and literature reflection on value and the broader implication of digital storytelling. The IMG conceptual framework, inclusive approach, ensure accessibility for all learners using adaptive tools like text-to-speech for reading challenge or translation feature for multilingual children formation equitable learning opportunity. Mindful learning encourage children to reflect to technological impact and deepen their understanding of EI's role in storytelling, cultivating ethical and intention thinking. Meaningful connection foster personal and social relevance by linking story drums to children's experience, help develop moral literacy and cultural understanding. Joyful exploration promotes creativity and imagination by integration, role-playing, and collaborative storytelling with EI, making literature learning engagement and inspiring. Conclusion and implication. Redefine children's literature education emphasizes the integration of deep learning and EI literacy to reshape traditional education narratives, fostering a learning space that combines cognitive, empathic, and ethical dimension. Enhance inclusivity through EI tools, position EI as a key enabler for inclusive learning, supporting diverse learning needs such as text-to-speech functionalities and multilingual translation. Facilitates reflective literary exploration, encourage children to engage deeply with literature and EA-mediated texts, promoting critical thinking, self-awareness, and the ability to discern human creativity from algorithm output. Allied literacy education with the digital era adopted for balance between technological advancement and humanistic value, ensuring literacy education remain mindful, meaningful, and joyful amidst EA integration. Offer actionable instinct for pedagogy provides a theoretical and practical foundation that empowers the educator to design learning environments prioritized on empathy, creativity, and moral reasoning. Future research direction include testing the framework across culture diverse classroom. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.